Craft has many definitions, and according to me, craft is everywhere where there is skill involved. Crafting is the repetitive process of workmanship and process which results in a specific outcome of conjugate product from micro to macro. Our future is the only outcome of our present, and the present scenario is so clutched to certain aspects and principles that the future is going to be standardized. For me, the equation of craft plus future is modular. Why modular? It would be very appropriate to say that modular living or lifestyle is already there and it is happening. The reason of modular living being insane is due to the increasing demand and overutilization. So, the future living is going to be all about flat pack dwelling. In near future, the exploitation of resources will take place, due to which the ever-increasing world's population, and to accommodate that, everything will be standardized. The individualized importance of exclusivity will be diminished as a result of standardization, and building will all look the same. Standardized refer to certain parameter which restrict the open aspect of design to be incorporated in a particular product or module or a structure. Spaces will give the feel of boredomness, and that is where craft and craft people will come in to break the monotony of standard spaces with variation of scale and need in an unconventional method, with the process remaining the same. User will have the flexibility to achieve customization, personalization, and individualism. No two standard spaces will look or give the same experience. The interior practices with collaboration of craft will generate different spaces according to user specification and choice. Craft Tooler, your own customized modular. The application is going to be the near future, where set of industrially manufactured modules will be available with the scope of customization and personalization through the medium being craft. Craft in future through modularity. The design concept and process focus on how craft and module coexist together and become the integral part of creating structure and surfaces and null. Having four basic modules available in the application, two of them focuses more on the structure and surface, whereas the other two are narrative specific, which tells a story about and to the space. Adani Shantigram 2 BHK standardized floor plate was very appropriate for flat pack dwelling. The space and layout remains the same, but the element specification according to the module is what provide to break the monotony. Here, the 2 BHK space has been crafted with the first set of structural elements. These crafted elements are made and then provided with customization according to the scale, units, and assembly details. This framework of spaces and elements give variety of options to pick up from, like the seating unit, overhead hanging unit, relaxing unit, and the display unit. It also gives an idea about the single unit that comprises of the element and also the kit of parts with the craft specification. The wood turn module is not necessarily wood turn but can be metal casted, glass blown, plastic module or brass casted. The kit of part gives the user to pick up according to their need. Making detail of teakwood crafted with wood turning technique, which is held together with MS plate, which is brass finished, joined together by three-way junction of tongue and groove joinery, is basically one unit which can have multiple variation with customized structural craft. Element, which is the structural and superficial element, showcase the bamboo structure and its possibility of bending in various forms to obtain flexibility and sustainability. The structural module remains the same, it's just the surface variation and the set of craft provided to customize the element. Making Detail talks about the bamboo module getting fixed with 10 mm dia wooden dowel to form a frame structure. The structure, being lightweight, can be stacked on one another to get multiple storage unit. The box is prefabricated with 8 mm plywood on all the sides with customized craft, and then this box gets slides into the bamboo frame. Can personalize their crafted home with the craft that fascinates them by choosing the appropriate kit of part and looking for the craftsman that is required to come up with the craft. After the craft selection, the app directly connects the user to the maker or the craft person. Craft prototyping of structural system of wood turn and metal bending is carried out directly with the craft person. After the craft selection, the app directly connects the user to the maker or the craft person. The application at the final stage of the selection process provides a glimpse of the space that the user is going to be living in. The sectional view gives an idea of how the same module is repeated throughout the space with different approach. The application at the final stage of the selection process provides a glimpse of the space that the user is going to be living in. The application at the final stage of the selection process provides a glimpse of the space that the user is going to be living in. Craft prototyping of bamboo structure with the craft person give an idea of how lightweight the bamboo structure is and what are the fixing possibilities and the experimentation regarding the bending of the bamboo. Narrative ceramic tile module tends to tell the story with 3 different narrative craft, Matani Pacheri, Madhubani and Kalamkari, with the various experimentation with ceramic inlay. The acrylic lighting fixture tends to experiment with engraving technique using 3 narrative craft, Matani Pacheri, Kalamkari and Madhubani. Craft in future will not be grey and mundane. The craftsmanship will flourish more, killing the boredomness. Thank you.